Why are you recording me? I'm recording you.
Why are you recording me?
I'm recording me, recording you.
That's why I just asked you and you didn't answer me.
You set up
no,
to
you're
open
up.
your stuff.
Buttercup.
Really bad at this.
Alright, so we have my Morimoto XBs from my 2012 King Ranch that we are going to unbox and toss in. Pop the hood to start doing the old headlights. Notice that my filter was maxed out. There's like bugs from Texas from years ago. But nonetheless, we also have an AirRaid intake. Toss that in. Should be a good day. Today we got Junior's Bronco that's getting a new intake as well. Getting his new exhaust as well. So just overall, it's going to be a shop hang today and we're going to get some shit done on our truck. Let's get these things unboxed. Obviously, this is going to be for your 11 to 16 Super Duty. This is beautiful. So obviously, this is going to be a great way for you guys to absolutely change the look of your truck. This is terrifying.
There we go.
Woo! I've always believed in headlights and lighting overall being the #1 modification that you can do to your truck after wheels, tires, and suspension. Let's get these things tossed in and see what they look like.
Oh, Junior's waiting.
So this is the Flowmaster Outlaw Series exhaust. It's a little more aggressive, but Flowmaster on their site, they have comparisons of the two different types of exhausts. And I like the growl of this one a little bit more than the other one. It's gonna be really hard still though, because it's a truck that has a inline 4, which like trucks aren't supposed to have, like they're supposed to have V8s. It is dual exit too, so my factory exhaust is single exit. This will come out on each side. And that's all it is. So basically just a muffler delete replacement axle back, but it's got the dual tips too, which I do like the way that looks a lot better than just a single dump on the side from factory. So very excited to get this on and installed. We'll do some before and after so you can hear the stock exhaust. I should be hopefully around 20 to 25 horsepower gained. Hopefully around like the 330 mark-ish for horsepower. So we'll get these installed and see where it goes.
Hanging
so you
out
don't have
with
to use this stuff?
Morimoto sequential blinkers.
It's fire.
I'm gonna buy these for my Super Duty.
Ow, my ear.
Come on, man.
I feel like that's not all the way in. Got it! Got it, dude!
Dude. Hold on, I gotta go slow-mo.
RCB. Just leave it off. It's like it just keeps gobbling. Literally just the muffler is missing.
Don't even install the exhaust. What? Alrighty, so we got the Morimoto XB headlights in, looking spicy. We kind of poked around at the filter, realized my filter was kind of trash, and I had one sitting at home from AirRaid. Ooh, fancy. So one nice thing is they got this roto molded tube. So what's gonna happen here is it's gonna come in here, your filter will sit right here, and it's gonna get rid of all this. Now there's people that talk about restrictions with the factory ones, but essentially it's just gonna open everything up.
Rubber snake.
Rubber snake. So we are gonna unbox this and get it installed.
Lefty Lucy.
I did Lefty Lucy. It's loose. There you go.
We just went from #1 to #6 by you ripping that out. Unclipped. Yep, we skipped that part.
How's it going?
Not good.
Why?
That's the design that Ford has and what they then use to fucking put these brackets in. It's super dumb. And this is gonna have to come off.
Like permanently?
Yeah.
Where's my cool AirRaid sticker?
There's no oil fit with the exhaust, so I gotta take that off. It's just one thing's leading to another. It's annoying.
AirRaid. Horsepower.
AirRaid sticker. Right here.
Center it. Oh my god, doesn't even stick. It's a shit ass sticker. Oh, I didn't feel the part up. Solid. If you looked at the pictures, it tells you to do this before installation.
Jeez, in there.
I need to add like these little things. They hold the hangers in place. I don't know how to get these on here, but yeah, they just like grab on. They don't just like slide on. They have to like push them on. Yeah, you, Gary.
I think we're done. I think we're good. It's a little lopsided, but you win some, you lose some.
Alrighty, so we got the AirRaid performance intake in. It sounds louder, it sounds nice. I'm excited to go see. Obviously, when we talk like horsepower numbers and acceleration numbers on intakes, it's not like, holy shit, now it's a Lamborghini, right? It's not like it's gonna be crazy. So obviously you guys can pick up any sort of intake system on our website, customoffsets.com. I went with AirRaid.
Afraid.
Official.
Oh, AirRaid.
And then that's it.
Let her eat, tater chip.
Yeah, until we build it in February.
Do it for Dale.
Yeah,
Say it.
and do it for Dale.
Junior, what are we doing today?
All right, so the other day we put the exhaust on this thing. I do like the way it sounds for it being just a little four-banger. So I'm putting the cold air intake on, and I've also got a blow-off valve as well. So we're going to fire this thing up, see what it sounds like now with the normal intake.
Ooh. All right, step one, complete.
Someday you'll understand. Ta-da. Now for the new one? Are we done?
I believe so, yes.
I hope so.
Twisted real good.
Got to take the sensor out and then remove a little ring on it, and then it's gonna go into there. I've broken every part of touch so far. That be these bad boy here. Let's just hold it in. Never mind.
Connected.
Plugged in.
That ain't going nowhere.
Think we got her? All right, let's start her up and see what she sounds like. You ready for this?
I'm ready. I'm excited. I didn't know you bought a neon.
Cool, let's put the blow-off valve on now.
You really have one?
Are you?
Yeah, 5 minutes, it's 3 bolts. All right, hold this so I can start it now.
Is this an SRT4 or is it a fucking Bronco?
You know, when I was in high school, I really wanted an SRT4, so I'm not mad.
What a rip.
Dude, honestly, like, now that we're like outside and you can actually see it, it's unbelievable how good these XPs from Morimoto look. Like the way it's tying with everything, with the Morimoto mirror lights, and the Morimoto fogs, and like the cab lights and everything, and just like, it's coming together.
Hi, I need help installing these because I don't know what I'm doing.
You assume I do?
Nope, but we'll get through it together.
At least one of us can read.
Is that you or me?
That's me.
Oh.
Ford Flashcal for Bronco.
Like it even says in the packaging.
Wow, it doesn't say what Bronco though. Maybe it's for that one. Let's go.
Rip.
Wow, thank you for your purchase.
Wow. That was quick. Too quick?
Turn ignition on. Press OK. Attempting vehicle communications. We need a tape measure.
Like you want the actual tire size?
Yeah, you don't put the sidewall size. Wow, what size tires are these?
Supposed to be 37s.
I hate to break it to you. 35 and, well, we'll call it a half. I'm gonna give you a little bit.
I'll take it.
35 1/4.
So do I need to leave this plugged in or can I unplug it after the changes are made?
No, you're actually supposed to unplug it and store it somewhere that does not see extreme hot or cold. Done.
So now my speedo should be correct?
Yep. Back in my day, you just adjusted the linkage on the carburetor and you had
Jesus.
better throttle response. All right.
That was scary.
Throttle disconnected. All right, we're done. All right. Reconnect the battery.
Okay, so here, just click on it now.
Yes. All right, now we can see how this amp throttle booster does, and also check out the SuperChips calibration for my speedo, and see that it all lines up.
Oh wow. Okay, I already noticed a difference with the throttle booster. The second you get on it, and then damn. Okay. So that's in a extreme mode. It definitely gets up and goes right away. Wow. All right, the real test, the speedo. Yep. I'll take that all day long with it being like 10 miles per hour under what I was actually doing.
So there you have it. That is a K&N cold air intake installed, along with the Flowmaster exhaust, blow-off valve, amp pedal commander for the throttle response, and the SuperChips calibration. I think for what it is probably the best sound you can get out of one of these. Love how it drives, love how it shifts, love how it responds. As always, you guys can check out lift kits, wheels, tires, and performance accessories, which includes exhausts, intakes, all that good stuff at customhouses.com, baby. It's all we got for you. Peace.